Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe, think positively. So, in our last class, we learned or we explained about going to the fair lesson. So, today we are going to explain our exercise part of this lesson. Okay, let us start. First unit is making connections. Quick answers. Complete the following sentences. On the night before the fair, every dreamed. Answer is that he was in the Ferris wheel. Answer is that he was in the top car of the Ferris wheel. Here wheel you can't see. Write the spelling of wheel. WHEEL. Okay, this is the spelling of wheel. Now, next second B. Fern dreamed that she was on the swings. Now that you have read the story, draw up two lists, one showing how Fern planned to spend her money and the other showing what Avery wanted to do with the money. Okay, this is the exercise part. So, here we have to write Fern's list and here Avery's list. Okay, in Fern's list A already given, Avery's list also A already given. You have to write from B. What is B? Win a spinning wheel, and C is buy a balloon. And Avery's list B is steer a jet plane, eat a frozen custard and a cheeseburger, buy a balloon. Now here question answers. These question answer you don't write in your book and I will give it later. Okay, this one you will not do. Okay, this one I will explain later only. Don't do. So we are going to our next page. Next page, read, reflect and write. These question answer part also I will give you later, not now. Now we are going to word wall exercise. Word wall exercise about collective noun. So in this part we are going to learn about collective part. What is a collective? What is a collective nouns? A collective nouns that we give to a group or a collection of people, animals or things. We are giving a name for group of people, group of animals, group of things. That name we can say collective nouns. Here example is given. A group of sheep is called flock. Similarly, a group of flying bird is called flight. So this one also you have to learn. This is an example part. Still you have to learn this collective noun. Group of sheep we can say flock and group of flying birds we can say flight. Now next part, next page, exercise part. Write the correct collective nouns below the given pictures. One has been done for you. So now I am going to read the options. First one, a glass of, a flock of, an army of, a crowd of, a school of, a colony of, a bunch of. A answer is already given there. It's a picture of ants. So group of ants we can say an army of ants. B, a flock of sheep. Group of sheep we can say flock, a flock of sheep. Now third one, group of people, that is a crowd of people. Collective noun is a crowd of people. Now there is picture is given, students picture, so we can say a students, a class of students. Now E, a colony of penguins, a colony of penguins, a bunch of grapes, and a school of fish. These are the answers. Now the next exercise is, in the sentences given below, circle the collective nouns, put a tick against the sentence that are correct and a cross against those that are wrong. Here we have to circle the collective noun. Okay. After that we have to tick or cross. If the sentence is right, we have to put tick mark. If the sentence is wrong, we have to put wrong. So here it is given, first one, in the first sentence, what is the collective noun? Question, the herd of sheep is in the field. Here question is, the herd of sheep in the field. What is the collective noun in this sentence? Collective noun is herd. So you just circle the collective noun herd. Now, is the sentence is right or wrong? The sentence is wrong. So we have to put wrong in the box. Now B, the bunch of flowers are in the vase. Here the collective noun is bunch, so circle the word bunch, and this answer is right, so put tick mark. Now C, the team of oxen are pulling the cart. Here the collective noun is team, so circle the word team, and the sentence is right, so put a tick mark. Now D, the fleet of ships is sailing today. Here fleet is the collective noun, so please circle the word fleet, and it's a right sentence, so put tick mark. Now we are going to next page. This band of musicians play very well. This band of musicians play very well. Here band is the collective noun, so circle the word band, and the sentence is right, so put tick mark. Now a swarm of bees make honey. Here swarm is the collective noun, and this sentence also right, so we have to put tick mark. Put a tick mark. Now we are going grammar time, noun gender. That means here we are in this part we are going to learn about the gender. Some nouns are used for men or boys. Some nouns we are used for men and boys. Example, brother, uncle, grandfather. This is the nouns we are using for men and boys. These words belong to the masculine gender. Some nouns are used for women or girls, that is sister, aunt, grandmother. These nouns are for women and girls. These gender we can call feminine gender. Now in this box what it is written? Animals have gender too. Animal also have a gender. A male sheep is called a ram. A female sheep is called a a male sheep is called a ram, and a female sheep is called a ewe. Now here one exercise given, basis of this exercise. Match the feminine gender words with the masculine gender words. You have to feminine gender words are given in A part, and in the B part masculine gender forms are given, so we have to match it. Now headmistress. Headmistress is the first one, so headmister, headmaster, masculine form it is headmaster, so we have to write one. nun, monk, wife, husband, niece, nephew, and the last one aunt, uncle. Some nouns can be used to refer to both men and women. Author, gardener. These words belong to the common gender. Some more examples for common genders are child, friend, doctor, teacher, because they are in both, in masculine and in feminine also. That is, we can call common gender. Now, next exercise is sort the gender of the words given below and put them on the correct list. You use your dictionary if you need some help. So options are given here: policeman, friend, child, bride, watchman, grandson, doctor, student, queen, policewoman, wizard, teacher, groom, lady, sister. So we have to sort out this list on the basis of gender, masculine, feminine, and common. Okay, so first we are going to do masculine. It is policeman, watchman, grandson, wizard, and groom. Now feminine: bride, queen, policewoman, lady, sister. And common gender is friend, child, doctor, student, and teacher. So this is the lesson for you today. You have to learn this exercise part nicely. Question answers part I will give you later. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.